In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the Powered by Shopify logo or text from your Shopify store's footer. This is a great way to customize your site and make it feel more personal, tailored specifically to your business's unique identity. Let's dive right in and walk through this process together, step by step. First things first, you'll need to access the theme editor. Begin by logging into your Shopify admin panel. Once you're there, locate the sidebar and navigate to Online Store. From there, click on Themes. Here, you'll find the theme that you're currently using displayed at the very top of the screen. Next to it, you'll see a button labeled Actions represented by 3 little dots. Click on that, and you'll be given a drop-down menu with several options. The one you're interested in is Edit Languages, so go ahead and click on it. Now on to editing the language. In the screen that appears, you'll see a Filter Translations box. Here, you'll want to type the word Powered. Doing so will reveal 2 instances of the Powered by Shopify text, one associated with your store's footer and another with the password page if you have that set up. To change the text in the footer, simply click into the text box and either replace it with a single space to effectively remove it or input your own custom text, something that aligns better with your brand. If you've got a password page and you want to change the text there as well, you may have to delve into the HTML a little bit. Don't forget to click Save after making these changes, otherwise they won't take effect. Sometimes, however, you might find that the text stubbornly persists even after these changes. In cases like this, the next step involves editing the theme code directly. Head back to the theme editor, and this time select Edit Code from the Actions menu. Now look for the Sections directory and open the file named footer.liquid. Within this file, search for any reference to Powered by Shopify, either in simple text form or as a code snippet. Once you've located it, carefully delete the corresponding code. Remember to hit Save after making your changes here as well. A couple of important notes before you proceed. Always duplicate your theme before making any code changes. This acts as a backup just in case anything goes wrong. Plus, you should know that the Powered by Shopify logo might still be visible to you when you're logged in as an administrator, so don't panic if you see it afterwards. And lastly, if you're not entirely comfortable doing this yourself, you might want to consider hiring a Shopify developer or utilizing a third-party app. This can streamline the process and alleviate any concerns around editing the code directly. And there you go. With these steps, your Shopify store will no longer display the default Powered by Shopify text, giving you a cleaner and more brand-centric appearance. Thanks for watching.